ayan, nandito tayo sa ayan, Santo Padre Pio, Bukal ng Pag-asa. Ayan, si Boss Derek natin. Alalay ng Pandoy. Naalala ko pa yan. So, yun na nga guys. Ayan, paligid dito. Napakaganda dito. So, ayan o. Kapit tayo dyan. Ito. Kita niyo yan? Tapos ito sa likod.
Whenever you feel sad, remember it's alright. You're surrounded by people that love you.
So ayan, libot ko kayo dito sa St. Padre Pio.
And now you tell me that it was not enough. I told you that some months ago, but I guess you didn't have it. And now you tell me that it was not enough.
So ayan guys.
I told you that some months ago, but I guess you didn't have it. I'm here for you, you know. Even if I'm not around, you can wake me up. I will try my best and make you feel alright. I know what you deserve, but no one showed you that.
Dito.
Deserve your love, and I know that love will someday come around.
Pre! Dito pala yung karamihang nakikita nating nagsiselfie. Dito sa banda rito. Punta tayo dun sa kabila. Punta muna tayong CR. So ayan guys, makakapag-selfie na tayo. Hindi na puro langis yung, hindi na mukhang pang chainsaw yung mukha natin. Ito yung perfect view na madalas makita natin sa mga selfie ng mga pumupunta rito. So ayan guys, ayan o. Yan, may mga ganyan dito. Yan. So ayan, ikutin natin. Napakarami yan, no? Paikot yan dun. So ayun na mga Lordski. Uwi na kami. Yan, naglalakad na lang kami papunta. Kukunin yung aming bisikleta. Ikot-ikot kami dito ng para makita nyo rin kung ano nakikita namin. O yung mga
whenever you feel sad, remember it's alright. You're surrounded by people that love you. Whatever you need.
So ayun na nga mga Lordski. Safe naman yung mga bike namin. Malayo-layong uwian na naman. Hanggang dito na lang. That's all for today. Bye.
That it was not enough. I told you that tomorrow.